Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Cliff with Pin Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for y'all. Today we got a little project here. We're doing this driveway here, the sidewalk. We got this vinyl fencing that you see here. We're also doing the pool deck area. It looks pretty bad. I got this customer here from a postcard for my 5-around. So y'all make sure y'all do y'all 5-arounds. I did this customer's neighbor about 10 months ago, probably like a year. I left him a postcard on his porch, and you know, he just called me 2 days ago and he wanted the service done. So y'all make sure y'all do y'all 5-arounds, get your postcards, and hit these neighbors. So like I said, we're doing this fence here. I'm gonna show you guys the pool deck. So we're doing this pool deck here. Looks pretty nasty. Got this fence. We're gonna be downstreaming this fence. Right now we're starting with the fence. Got my man over here soaping down the fence. And go in. Soap from over here and go all the way in. We're just gonna downstreaming 3%, and we're gonna knock out this fence, man. Nice and easy work. He's already downstream this side, and look at that, 3%, and it's already coming off. Man, nice and easy job. My man over here, he wants to learn how to pressure wash. He's starting his own business, so I told him come on out, you know what I'm saying, get some experience, and you know, get his feet wet, get some hands on. Look, man, I'm just trying to give y'all some knowledge. Whoever wants to learn, I'll tell you what I know. I ain't charging nobody for this. I don't want to charge nobody for this. I enjoy doing this, you know what I'm saying. I enjoy helping people out. So y'all got any questions, man, y'all comment below, let me know. Alright guys, so we got the fence dwelling. Algae's getting killed, you know, so we're just gonna go ahead and pre-treat this pool deck, you know what I'm saying, maximize our time so we're not, you know, standing around waiting for dwelling while we could be doing this. So we're gonna get a nice layer on here on this pool deck. We're definitely gonna let this sit for a good 15 minutes. Let's just do outside first. Guys, we back up here at the front. The pool deck is done. We're gonna knock out this little patio up front for 'em. Also the driveway, sidewalk, and also this little brick around the plants up front. Get that knocked out. I'm trying to get him to clean that roof, man. Get a nice little roof wash. This roof is filthy, but maybe next time. So we're gonna start on the driveway. We're gonna downstream a mix, 3%, and let that dwell, especially up here, for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna start surface cleaning. So what I'm doing right now is just weighing down the plants down, because we're gonna be using a 3% mix. We wanna flash or kill the plant, so. Y'all, we all done over here with this job. The fence came out good, real good. Look at that. My man right here done put on some work on that thing. Don't try to hide from the camera. Don't try to hide. But yeah, man, we did the pool deck. We did the driveway, sidewalk. Show you guys the pool deck right quick. Looking good in here. Fence looking good everywhere. Look at that.
Looks great.
Thank you, I appreciate it, thank you.
What's that?
The front brick? The front brick?
Yeah.
So yeah, man, I want to thank y'all for checking out the videos. Almost to 500 subscribers. I'm trying to think, maybe I'll do something for when I get 500. Maybe give out like a ball valve or a J-rod or something. That'd be cool, man. I appreciate y'all though, man, for checking out the videos and subscribing. If you haven't, go ahead and hit the like and that subscribe notification bell. You know, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get some more footage for y'all. Got some more jobs lined up, and my GoPro should be here real soon. Like I said, I've been using my phone, been having a little trouble with it, you know what I'm saying, but I still got to record, you know. So until next time, y'all, see y'all. Peace.